Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to install a ZR1 carbon fiber hood on Sean's 70th anniversary C8.
Today we're taking delivery of a ZR1 carbon fiber hood.
You are watching a master at work.
I started opening this earlier today. Go ahead and take it out of the box. Let me take it out of the box and put it on a stand. This hood looks pretty good, not too many flaws. I see a little bit of waviness, but that can be buffed out. Overall, the hood looks real good, great quality. The only thing I don't like is the silver screws. I'm gonna replace them with black matte screws. This hood is carbon fiber on both sides. Usually it's a matte finish, but this hood is a gloss finish on the underside. Okay, now let's get started with the install. Okay, first we're gonna take these two bolts off. There's two on each side, 13 millimeter, and the hood will come off. You don't mess with the bolts on the outside, just the ones on the inside, the two 13 millimeter bolts. So we're gonna get those off and get this stock hood off. First, we're going to take out the packing screws. They're torqued a bit. They're loosely in here, so I don't need a wrench to take them out. Maybe my other socket. The other bolts are a different torque size. This is where the 13 millimeter bolts bolt in to mount on the car. Next, we're going to take the hinge latch off the original hood and transfer it to the carbon fiber hood. Let's go over and take that off. There are two 10 millimeter bolts holding the latch in. Next, we're going to transfer the hinge to the carbon fiber hood. You want to hand tighten the bolts first, then center your hinge, and then lock everything in. You want to put a towel behind the hood to prevent damage to the fenders. You're going to need two people to take the hood off. You just loosen these two bolts on each side and the hood comes right off. Now the stock hood is off. Let's get the carbon fiber hood and install it. This hood is pretty light. It's probably half the weight of the original hood. We're gonna line it up, then head and tighten the bolts. You don't want to tighten them up all the way. What you want to do is close the hood, and you can slide it from side to side to close the gaps. The gaps look pretty good here, so we're going to go ahead and tighten it down. I didn't like the silver screws they have on the lip, so I'm taking them out and putting black screws in. Here's the finished product. We did a lot of mods on this car, the ground effects. We did the LED lights, the custom LED lights in the front. The air intakes on the rear hatch are functional. The rear hatch, it has the vertical glass on it. Kind of reminds me of the Aventador. We put Paragon spacers on the wheels to change the offset. The carbon fiber tips on with no resonators. It makes the car a little bit louder. And we did Maxim side skirts on this car. This is a 2023 anniversary edition. The seats are white and the car is carbon flash. We also did a custom engine cover with velocity stacks.
Thank you for watching BrianRhodesTV. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We will try to do a new mod every week.